Hello dear students, here I'm going to share answer key of your test with you. So let's begin with the login firstly. So here you have, yes, let's start. The first question is match the following. Here the first one is acetate, and acetate you have read is CH3COO negative, it is number third. Second one is hydroxide, OH negative, answer will be 4. Phosphate, PO4 3 negative. Second one, carbonate, CO3 2 negative, the answer will be first one. Next is the formula of sodium sulfate. So sodium sulfate, here sodium carries +1 charge and sulfate carries -2 charge. So when you will cross multiply both the charges, you will get the formula Na2SO4. Third is curdling of milk is dash change. So curdling of milk is a chemical change. So here you have to write chemical. Write the coefficients after balancing the following chemical equation. Firstly, you have to write this equation and after that you have to balance, and after balancing you will get some coefficients, and while balancing this chemical equation you get 2H2 plus 1O2 to give 2H2O. So the coefficient of H2 will be 2, next coefficient will be 1, and the next one will be 2. So the answer will be 2, 1, 2. Right? Now the next question is burning of coal. Burning of coal, as you know, during burning of coal, ashes are produced, and the change will be chemical, not physical, because a new product is formed during the reaction. The substance that undergo a chemical change in the reaction is called. During any chemical reaction, the substance which undergo chemical change is the reactant, and the new substance which is formed during the reaction is product. Now the next is chemical formula of aluminium sulfate. Now here again you know that aluminium carries +3 charge and sulfate carries -2 charge. So when you will cross multiply both the charges, you will get the formula Al2SO4 3. So here I have written the exact formula, so it will be true. The next is again you have to balance this equation, and after balancing you will get 2 sodium combines with 1 chlorine to give 2 sodium chloride. So the coefficients will be 2, 1, 2. Answer will be 2, 1, 2. Next, again match the following. Here I have written the name of certain elements, and on the right side I have written their symbols. You have to match these. Iron, it is Fe. Potassium is K, so it will be fourth one. Sodium is Na, it will be second one. Calcium is represented by Ca, so the answer will be 3. Next one is materials made up of same kind of particles are called pure substances. Definitely true. The substances which are made up of only one kind of particles are known as pure substances, but the substances which are made up of different or a number of different particles are known as the mixture. So here I'm submitting. Next is, what is the symbol of silver? Silver, it is represented by capital A small g, so it will be the symbol of silver. Melting of ice is dash change. During a melting of ice, you know that there is no change in the composition, the substance will remain same, it just changes its physical state, it gets converted from its solid to liquid state. So definitely it will be a physical change. Next is iron gets rusted in the presence of. Iron needs only two things for their rusting, and these two essential things are necessary conditions are air and moisture, or you can write oxygen and water too, right? Now here the next is match the following. Here on the left hand side I have written some chemical reactions, and on the right hand side I have written their types, so you have to match these. So now in the first you can see that hydrogen and oxygen both are reacting with each other to produce water. So the reaction in which two different substances react to produce a single product, the reaction will be combination reaction. Now in the second case, HCl plus NaOH. Here the one is acid and the second one is base, and both are combining to give two products, salt and water. So definitely it will be the neutralization reactions. Now the next one is CaCO3. It is calcium carbonate. It is breaking down into two different substances. The one is calcium oxide and the second one is carbon dioxide. So when one substance breaks down to produce two or more substances, the reaction will be decomposition. So answer will be 3. In the next one, zinc plus copper sulfate is giving copper plus zinc sulfate. So that means here the reactants are 2 and the products are 2. But you can see that here the metal zinc is replacing another metal copper. So here replacement takes place, so the reaction will be displacement reaction and option will be 2. Okay, and the last, no, it is not last, is the second last question. The substances carrying positively charged particles. I have already told you that there are two types of charges we have. The one is positive and the one is another one is negative. The positively charged substances are known as cation and the negatively charged substances are known as anion, whereas any charged particle is known as ion. Okay, so cation carries positive charge. Here is the last question. Identify the mixture from the following. You have to identify the mixture. Air is a mixture of a number of gases. Iron is a pure substance, it is an element. Water, it is a compound but it is again a pure substance. Lemonade, again it is made up by mixing a number of substances. And the next is, so lemonade will be a mixture, air will be a mixture, gold, no, it is a substance, it is a pure substance, it is element actually. Oxygen, again an element, is a pure substance, but soil, it contains again a number of substances in it. So we can say that air, lemonade and soil, these are the mixtures, whereas the others are the pure substances. So let's finish the test. So here is your result. Hope all the questions are clear to you. That's it from my side. Bye bye. Thank you.